how to create trifold brochure in Word. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a professional looking trifold brochure in Microsoft Word. Whether you're making a brochure for business, school, or personal use, Word has all the tools you need to design a high quality layout without needing expensive design software. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step from setting up the document to designing each section and adding images, colors, and text. I'll also share some pro tips to make your brochure look more polished and professional. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully designed trifold brochure that you can print or share digitally. So, let's get started. Before we start designing, we need to set up the correct page layout. Since a trifold brochure is typically printed on an 8.5 by 11 inch paper or the letter size, we'll format our document accordingly. So what we're going to do is to open Microsoft Word and then create a new blank document. Now go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen and then click on Size and then click on Letter or the 8.5 by 11 inches if it's not already selected. Next is click on Margins and select Narrow to maximize the printable space. Now that our page is set up, we need to divide it into 3 equal sections to create the trifold effect. But for this one, I would like to print this in a landscape paper just so that we can maximize all of these space. Again, since a trifold brochure folds into 3 parts, we'll use Word's column feature to create the correct structure. Go to the Layout tab once again and click on Columns. Select 3 columns from the drop-down menu. And now that your page is divided into 3 equal parts, we need to ensure that the content stays aligned within these columns. So Microsoft Word doesn't automatically show the folds, so we'll create guidelines to show us or to help us position text and images correctly. What we're going to do is to go to Insert tab right here and then click on Shapes. We're going to select this line shape and then draw vertical lines. Gonna draw it from here. Vertical lines like that. Let me just zoom out a bit so we can see the whole page. So again, we're gonna add vertical lines to where the folds should be. Now that our layout is ready, let's start designing the front cover of the brochure. The front cover should be visually appealing since it's the first thing people see. So what we're going to do is to click on the first column. This will be our cover, and then go to Insert tab and then click on Pictures to add a logo or an image. To add this, you can just click on this device if you already have it saved on your computer, or if you want to search up something good, you can tap on this online pictures. But for now, I'm going to just demonstrate it with a shape. For example, this is our picture. Gonna put it in just like that. And then you can resize and position the image at the center of the first column if you'd like, or you can really just do whatever you want right here. You can just play around with these settings just like that. And then next is to add a title using Insert and then click on Text Box. Let's choose this. Let's draw a horizontal text box right here. And then let's say this is your title. We're going to put it in a bold font. And then center it. You can always format this if you don't want this white background right here and the borders. You can just um in this shape outline, you can just toggle on no outline, and then in the shape fill, click on no fill. You can also add a subtitle or tagline below the title for more impact. You just have to do the same. Again, just click on text box and then type some subtitles that you would like to add. And then to make the cover stand out, consider adding a background color. So what we're going to do is to click on the design tab and then select page color. Choose a light gradient or solid color that matches your theme. Let's go with blue since I already have this blue shape right here. Most brochures also include contact details at the back panel to add this. So what we're going to do is to click on this third column, which is the back panel. And then again, we're going to insert a text box and type the business name, phone number, email, and website. If you want a shortcut, you can just click on this text box right here and then copy and paste it. And then just put it right there. And then resize it. And then here you can type in the details. Let's just put here details. If you also want to include a QR code for easy access to your website, you can just go to a free QR code generator online, enter your website link, and download the QR code. You can insert it to Word using insert and then pictures once again, and then position it to the back at the back panel right here, maybe right here. But yeah, that's just for some um extra flair to your brochure. Okay, so now let's move on to the inside of the brochure. So typically, brochures have two pages, but we're working on just a single one. But of course, you can always add or insert a blank page, or you can duplicate this page if you want a two-paged brochure. So what we're going to do is to click on the second page if you're using two-sided printing, and then the three columns there will be used for detailed information about your business, product, or event. Each panel should have a clear purpose. The first inside panel could be an introduction, a company overview, and then the middle panel can provide detailed product or service information. The last panel might include testimonials, pricing, or a call to action. Now to format the text, we can use headings. I'm just going to demonstrate it right here. Just click on this title right there. And then in the home page, we can click on this heading 1. And then as you can see, the format was changed. So one of my tips also when creating a brochure is to keep the paragraphs short for easy readability. You can also use bullet points or numbered lists where needed. And for best result, use high quality paper and then select double-sided printing in Word's print settings. And if you're manually folding, use the guidelines to ensure perfect folds. If you don't have a printer, you can also save the document as a PDF and take it to a local print shop for a professional printing. So I'm going to teach you how you can save this as a PDF as well. You just have to click on this file. You need to save first the Word document itself and then click on the save as and then browse, and then you can save it wherever you want. If you want to export it as a PDF, you can just click on this export button right here and then click on this create PDF, and it will automatically generate a PDF version for you. And that's it. You've successfully created a trifold brochure in Microsoft Word, from setting up the layout to adding text, images, and finishing touches. With these steps, you can design a professional and eye-catching brochure for any purpose, whether it's for business, school projects, or personal promotions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!